This is the AGHill building on NDSU campus. I'm going to try to measure the height of the building using a BME280 pressure sensor. I am currently in the basement of the AGHill building on NDSU campus, and using a BME280 sensor, I'm measuring the air pressure. What I'm going to look at is when I go up the stairs to the third floor, does the pressure drop, and can I measure that? Here I am on the third floor of the AGHill building on NDSU campus. As I go up, the air pressure should drop, and I can see the BME280 sensor has detected that. Air pressure has dropped by 3.73 hPascals as I went from the basement to the third floor. As I go back to the basement, the air pressure should increase. Here I am, back in the basement at the AGHill building on NDSU campus. As I went down the stairs, the air pressure increased, went from -3 hPascals to -0.4. So the air pressure increased by about 3.6 hPascals as I go from the third floor down to the basement. You can definitely measure the change in air pressure as you go up and down stairs using a BME280 pressure sensor.